Solutions, add-on desires.
Good morning students, welcome to Add-on Solutions. Myself Jasita Ramlu, I am teaching Environmental Studies, class 4. Today we are going to discuss about chapter 10, our food, our health. Yes, no children? Okay, our health is completely depends upon the while taking the food substances only. If you taking the good food substances, then automatically we are becoming healthy. That is actually our food is consist of some balanced diet should be maintained. That food is consist of the carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. It should be present in our diet. Then automatically we are becoming the healthy. So that is our food, our health. If you are not taking the balanced diet children, that is it is effects on our health. Okay, that is today we are going to discuss. Yes, no children? Okay, we need food to live. Do all of us eat the same kind of food? No. Okay, do all of us eat food at the same time? No children. Okay, how are food habits different? It is depends upon the one person to another person. Okay, and at the same time it is varies from one region to another region also. Think we get food from plants and animals. Yes, okay, we get food from plants and animals. From the plant children, we are going to get vegetables and fruits. Yes, no children? From the animals, the eggs, and chicken, mutton. Okay, at the same time, the milk and the milk products. Okay, these kind of food items we are able to get. Let us know more about our food in this lesson, children. Look at the pictures given below. Say what is going on. Yes, you can see children here. Okay, all the people are together. They are taking the food substances. Okay, here they are preparing the food items. Generally, this kind of situation we are going to observe in the weddings, especially like in marriages, children parties. Okay, in some of them functions, we are going to see this kind of situations. Okay, in the parties, this kind of situation, children means when the marriages occurs, all the people are together. They will sit and they have the lunch and the food substances. Yes, no children? Especially we are going to observe the marriages, in the birthday parties. Okay, some of the functions. Because such conditions, such occasions, children, all the people are together. They will sit and have the lunch. Okay, have the food substances. Picnic. Okay, this we are calling children Vana Bhojanam. Okay, especially the school children. Okay, particularly one of the month, maybe in November month. Okay, in that area, children, in that month, all the people are there going to one of them place in a children, that is called as the name the picnic or in a Vana Bhojan we are calling. In that areas, the people are means the children are to brought the varieties of food substances and they are sit together and they will take the food items. That is we are going to discuss now. Navid, Vipin, Neeli and Deepti are studying in 5th class. Okay, they are studying. These are the friends, classmates children. They are studying 5th class. Okay, one day their families went out for picnic. They opted for an open space with trees on the banks of their village tank as the picnic spot. See children here. Okay, they opted for an open space with trees on the banks of their village tank as the picnic spot. In that area they are selected. They went to a picnic in that area. Okay, the children and the elders enjoyed the picnic. Because of the children and the elders enjoyed the picnic. In this picnic, in that area, children, they are playing, they are singing. Okay, children. Okay, they like that they are able to enjoy in the picnic. They spoke to each other and played different games. Yes, okay, in that picnic conditions, whenever we went to a picnic, children. Okay, on the day, okay, all the people are speaking and singing and playing games. Okay. Next one, they fetched dry grass and firewood for cooking. They arranged stoves. All elders and children together cooked food with the materials they brought. Okay, sometimes children they are taking the food items from home. Sometimes they went to any particular place in that area. Okay, what they along with that they are taking some of the materials. These are all the materials. Okay, with the help of these materials they are cooking the food substances in a picnic area only. So these also they did like that only. Okay, so children they fetched dry grass and firewood for cooking. They are used in dry grass and firewood for cooking. They arranged stoves also. Okay, all elders and children together cooked food. Okay, all elders and children together cooked food. Because of children are unable to prepare the food items, they don't know. Okay, so together the children are going to help them to elders. So all elders and children together cooked food with the materials they brought. During lunchtime, they all sat in a circle. Okay, children arranged the leaf plate. See children arranged the leaf plates, because sometimes they are going to take the plastic plates also, but it is the best in a leaf plates, because of they are easily decomposition taken place in the soil after they have lunch. Some people use freshly picked leaves as plates. Hot and cooked food was served along with the different items brought from their houses. So children, okay, hot and cooked food was served along with different items brought from their house. Okay, because of that is one of the occasion all the peoples are some friends are there went to a picnic. Children, okay, in that area at the moment, at the occasions time, they are taking some varieties from home also. Navid brought jowar rotis, Neeli brought chikki and sweets. Okay, Vipin got boiled horse gram, red gram and Bengal grams. Deepti shared the porridge she brought. Okay, see children here, variety of food items they are taking. Okay, they brought from at their house. See children, Navid brought jowar rotis. Okay, Neeli brought chikki and sweets. Okay, Vipin got boiled horse gram, red gram and Bengal gram. Pulses these all are. Okay, Deepti shared the porridge she brought. Okay, porridge means children that is a cereals item. It is a what boiled in a water or in a milk. Porridge means it is a smooth food item that is. Okay, they are to brought different varieties from their house. Yes, you can see children here like that they will sit and together they are able to eat. With this kind of situation we are going to observe in a parties time. Okay, children, parties, okay, marriages. Okay, next one is the birthday parties, the occasions time. Okay, picnic time we are going to observe. All together sat and they are eating the food items. Next one, all of them shared the food items and are heartily and ate heartily. Once again you can see children here, all of them shared the food items and ate heartily. They spent the day happily, because on the complete day they are to enjoy. There is really no need of an occasion to go on a picnic. See children here, there is really no need of an occasion to go on a picnic. People can just decide and go on a picnic for fun. Okay, does not require any occasion. Okay, people just can just decide and go on a picnic for fun. Next one children, the lunch bell rang. All the children washed their hands and plates under the tap with soap. They stood in a queue for taking midday meal. That day they were served rice, dal and sambar in midday meal. There is a different menu every day for the midday meal. Especially children in the government schools, afternoon session, the lunch time they are providing the food substances. Then it is called as a midday meal. See children, okay, when the lunch bell rang, then what will happen children? All the students are, they are washed their plates and hands under a tap and they will stand in a queue and they are taking the meal. That is, all the children washed their hands and plates under the tap with soap. Okay, they stood in a queue, yes, because of all the students are stood in a queue for taking midday meal. Okay, in that midday meal, what kind of items they are served? Okay, that day they were served rice, dal and sambar in midday meal. Okay, there is a different menu every day for the midday meal. Okay, it is essentially, whenever taking such kind of menu in everyday children, then our health is becoming good. Eating together helps children to develop friendship with their students. See children here, eating together helps children to develop friendship with other students, because of all midday meal time all the students are eating together. Such condition helps children to develop friendship with other class students, children, with other students. Especially whenever the students are eating together, that is helps to develop friendship with other students. Children who get food from their homes share it with others. Thus, they get to know the different food habits of others. Okay, some children eat only rice and pickle. Okay, this condition is not good to a child also, because of they require the variety of food substances. Okay, whenever eating together, sometimes the students are going to share whatever they are brought. Some children eat with vegetables, some others do not eat properly. Okay, they throw away rice and vegetable pieces. Okay, don't throw like that, children. Okay, because of they are very good to our health. This is not a good practice. Some children do not get enough food at their homes and they come to school without eating. Okay, without eating also not good to a child health. Okay, you have breakfast and come to school. Okay, serving midday meal is very essential for such children, because some of the poor students or children it will be. Okay, serving midday meal is very essential for such children. Many children in our country do not get enough food to eat. The children who do not get sufficient food do not grow healthy. Yes, no, children? The children who do not get sufficient food do not grow healthy because of the lack of the nutrients into their body. Actually, the nutrients are able to get through food substance only. Okay, if you not take the food items properly, children, automatically they are not get the sufficient amount of nutrients to a child body. So, they are becoming unhealthy. Next, those who are not healthy do not show interest in studies. Yes, because of there is no energy there, then they are not show interest in studies. The Supreme Court of India has ordered that nutritional food should be served to all children in every school. Okay, that is the reason. Okay, Supreme Court of India has ordered that nutritional food should be served to all the children in every school. That is the reason. Okay, in the government schools, in the midday meal, they are going to provide with items. For then, the Government of India has been serving midday meal to all children in government schools. Okay, that is the poor children that are going to utilize this kind of opportunity. They are to have the meal in their lunchtime and they are able to study.
Add-on solutions. Add-on